Hey altcoin fans, thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I am going to give you guys my long-term price prediction for Ethereum Classic or ETC. And as always guys, hey, if you like my content, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out, and why not, right? And also guys, hey, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well. You'll find the link in the video description below. I'm growing more and more every single day and loving it. Hey, I've been on here since February. I love talking to people. I love talking about altcoins. I love looking up different things on different altcoins. So if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead and give me a follow. Why not? All right, guys. So for many of you who may not know me, or for those of you who are brand new to my channel, I am a long-term holder. I've been holding on to various coins for 5+ years, and I will continue to hold and accumulate more at every single dip. But I'll continue to hold until I retire in 15 to 20 years. So that's just how I do things. So guys, I like to look at things from a long-term perspective rather than a short-term perspective. So when I do my price predictions like this, I'm looking at it from a long-term perspective. So I don't do technical analysis because technical analysis, TA, does not help, or you cannot get a long-term price prediction from looking at TA. You just can't. It doesn't work. So anyway, I've been doing this for 5 years, and I do good on every single position that I'm in all my altcoins. I've never been in the red, so hey, whatever I'm doing is right. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So guys, Ethereum Classic, the all-time high for Ethereum Classic actually just happened in the most recent bull run. So the all-time high for ETC so far is $176. Holy cow. So clearly it can get to $176. We've seen that. You buy right now, clearly it can get to $176 again someday, you guys. It's a no-brainer to buy in right now and hold for the long term. If it can do 176 once, it can definitely do it again. So again, guys, it's a no-brainer. Now, as far as numbers go, let's see where it can get to. So in 5 to 10+ years from now, you guys, obviously the max supply is, the max supply is 210 million. All right. It's a super low max supply. It's also a pretty low, it's a kind of low market cap. Not really. Yeah, I guess, no, it's not really a low market cap coin. But anyway, in 5 to 10+ years, the circulating supply is going to be a lot closer to the max supply than where it is right now. So what I like to do is, within 5 to 10+ years from now, you guys, I like to use a number that's between the current circulating supply and the max supply. So for the sake of this video, I'll go with like 170 million. Yeah, I'll go with 170 million. Again, guys, I like to be on the conservative side of things because, we're playing with real money here. We're using our hard-earned money to invest in these different coins, and, we got to take this stuff seriously. So I like to stay on the conservative side. I'm not much of a moon boy because that's not realistic. So, hey, if you don't like the truth, then the exit button's right here. Go find somebody else to watch. But I'm truthful on this channel, and I'm realistic, and that's how I make money. So anyway, 170 million for a circulating supply. Now we'll multiply that by, let's see here. First, we're going to see if it could get to, we're going to see what it was at, or what it was potentially at when it went to $176, okay? So we'll multiply this by $176. So that probably gave it a market cap of around 29 billion. Actually, it was less than 29 billion because the market cap, the circulating supply, is a lot lower. So if it went to, it's $176 again, it would probably give a market cap around $29.9 billion, which really, in the grand scheme of things, in 5 to 10+ years from now, you guys, really isn't that high. 29 billion compared to where all these other coins are at, that would put it right in somewhere around the top 10, which, Ethereum Classic has been there before, so it can definitely be there again. Now, when we're talking about the future, all these coins are going to be, market caps are going to be a lot higher than where they're at right now in 5 to 10+ years. So you have to keep that in mind also when you're, looking into the long term of grand scheme of things. Now, obviously, I can't give you a prediction of a for sure set in stone number because I'm not a magical wizard, guys. I'm not Harry Potter. I can't, I can't, I don't have crystal balls, hey, there's no crystal balls back here, I promise. But, hey, I can give a general direction on what I think where it's going to go overall, based on market cap levels and based on common sense. And obviously, $29 billion market cap, it's common sense that it can easily get to or reach that level, based on current market cap levels of other coins and where they've gone in where they can go in the future. Obviously, Bitcoin's going to go up in the future. So is Ethereum. So is Binance Coin. So is ADA. They're all going to rise more and more in the future. So ETC will as well. So 29 billion is pretty low. I honestly think it can go higher than that. Obviously, it only took. Let's see here. Where are we at? I mean, obviously, it can do it once. It can do it again. Let's see here. We are going to go with 170 million again. And we're going to multiply it by, I want to see if we can get to $250, okay? Well, do I want to do 250? Let me see, 176. Yeah, let's see if we could get to 250. 176 times 250. That would be give it a market cap of roughly $42.5 million, guys. And that kind of puts it where I would feel comfortable with for a good market cap level for this coin. Actually, the number that I had in mind was around $50 billion for a 5 to 10 year prediction from where we're at right now. And honestly, I think that's fairly conservative. $50 billion market cap between now and 5 to 10 years from now. That's a pretty big increase for them. And I think, as the market grows and all these other coins get more and more money put into them as years go on, I definitely can see it would be possible for them to grow to those levels in 5 to 10 years. There's no doubt in my mind. So realistically, I think it could go a little bit higher than 250 because we want to reach that 50 billion market cap that I've got in my head. So we'll go 170 million. Wait, hold on. I forgot. Is it million? 170 million. Yeah, okay, it's million. My bad. All right, 170 million will multiply by 275 maybe? $275. Oh, it's still more than that. So 170 million times 300. Okay, so right around $295, okay? I think it's 295. We'll probably go with 295 for the sake of this video. Times 295.00. Yeah, okay. So, guys, I think a good safe bet that I'm going to go with for the sake of this video and my long-term prediction, I'm talking 5 to 10 plus years from now, guys. I'm not talking a year from now. I'm not talking next freaking week, okay? For all you guys who are impatient out there, because there's a lot of people just impatient that, just really, they just want money now. I'm talking to the actual investors out there, the people who are patient, who are actually investing in these coins, not the day traders. I personally think it could go to $295 within the next 5 to 10 years from now, and I'm fully confident about that. That comes out to roughly a $50 billion market cap. That seems realistic to me. This is what I've been doing for years, and it's worked for me all the time. So, but if it goes to 195, let's see what you could potentially come out with at that time, okay? So let's say you spent $10,000, okay? Because, most people that I know, when they're buying into different coins or buying at dips and stuff like that, they're usually, in my world, people are usually buying in with about 10,000. So 10,000 divided by $60, okay? They're going to come out with 166.6 coins, okay? So 166.6, and we're going to multiply that by 295. So guys, they're going to come out with, in 5 to 10 years, they're going to come out with a good 5x return on their investment, which is huge, okay? That's a $50,000, or they're going to come out with $40,000 extra dollars off of their $10,000 investment. And I think that's that's great. This is just one coin, you guys. This is just one investment, okay? And it could honestly go higher than that. I mean, you never know. It really could. I mean, anything can happen in the cryptocurrency world. We've seen that with Dogecoin. Anything can really happen at this point. So, just keep that in mind when we're talking about prices here. This is just one opinion. This is just my opinion. Everybody's got their own, but hey, 49,000 with a $10,000 investment, that's pretty huge just for holding on to it and not having to do any work. So overall, guys, 295 is my long-term prediction for Ethereum Classic, and I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. So that pretty much does it for this video, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. But guys, hey, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. You'll find the link in the video description below. And, hey guys, also go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new daily crypto video and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And with that said, you guys, hey, thanks again for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in my future videos or on my Twitter profile.